in what CBS 13 calls a possibly AI-generated voice. The message refers to agendas which are active to murder black children in the Sacramento area. Police don't believe the threat is credible. Your top national story, the mother known as the Doomsday Mom has been sentenced to multiple life terms by a judge in Idaho for killing her children and conspiring to kill the lover of her now husband. ABC's Alex Stone reports.
Lori Vallow-Daybell showed no emotion as she addressed the judge before her sentencing. She did not apologize for the murders.
Accidental deaths happen. Suicides happen. Fatal side effects from medications happen.
She claimed that she has special access to heaven and that her children are happy in heaven. The judge responding that she has shown no remorse and must spend the rest of her life in prison.
You chose the most evil and destructive path possible.
Vallow-Daybell's husband, also allegedly involved in the murders, goes on trial next year. Alex Stone, EBC News.
And now let's get more news with KFBK's Joe Michaels.
Mike, in Northern California.
There she is. Fucking bitch. Oh boy. Oh, that's much fun.
If I had known her shake was so small, I would have said, no, I will hold off, because Kevin knows where to get shakes. It's like, but their shakes are, really? Is that what it's like?
Elements, got a lot of Vietnam War.
Does not work too well.
Okay.
Yes. Mistake. And our truck just came in too. Can't really see.
You okay?
Yeah, no, it's. Yeah, no, it's hard to
Oh, I
see
used
for
to
me.
drive until I found out I had epilepsy.
Yeah, I know. Can't see.
Kevin ended up getting two. Kevin working tomorrow?
I don't know.
As far as I know, he's working weekday. It says to be working every day, but Friday. Excuse me. What was it? Wednesday, Friday? But Richard may end up putting him on. Richard has to find a full staff for me. The shakes are good, but not for $7. I don't know how I'm gonna get my money tomorrow because I don't have my card yet. That's gonna be a good one. Or how am I pay my bill? Tomorrow's the first of the month. You would have thought, okay, 2 or 3 days, okay, it'll be there. I still haven't received my card. Thank God, tomorrow I can just rest. Well, no, I have to go to the bank. The fact that I've been up since 4:30 this morning thanks to that call. Thank you. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna faint. Okay. Because you guys are doing so much over there, I'm not gonna make you stay that long. Within a couple, an hour or two, and then I'll let you go, so you can go help with Kevin.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
See, if he'd have gotten a hold of me, actually, I had to have a worker today because I had the 2 doctor appointments. So otherwise, if he had gotten a hold of me and just said, hey, Jamie, I need to take it, I need you to play for me, hooky for me, I would have done it. But I had a doctor appointment.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Because I've told him before, like I tell you, if you guys need that time, it's okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let me get my bag and stuff. Again with the door slam. This fucking bitch does not listen. That fucking bitch needs to listen.